Hi guys, welcome back with the last puzzle. Not in today's newspaper because Sunday we have no newspaper. No, it's the yesterday's newspaper. Yesterday's newspaper, Saturday, December the 11th, 2021. I have three puzzles left, and two of those I've already solved. Letter Sudoku and a two-star Sudoku. Now it's time for the Tectonic with a one star. And this one will be number. This will be number 3819. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 20. I've already counted 20 printed digits. Should be an easy one, and it's a one star. And for one star puzzle, I need to be faster. And then 15 minutes. Yes, we will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see those single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a one. I see here a single box, always a one. Here also a single box, always a one. Then the following question, dual box. Can we see here the dual boxes? I see here dual box contains the 1 and the 2. We see here 2 that is already filled in, so this box should be a 1. Two boxes left here. Cannot fill this yet, but let me mark those two boxes, the 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2. Here also a dual box. The 1 is already filled in, so this box should be a 2. More dual boxes? No. Quadra boxes then. Do we have quadra box? No, not quadra box. Triple boxes. Triple box. Let me scan. No triple boxes. Then the quadra box. I see here a quadra box. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. About here also a quadra box. I can also not. Well, these two boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Well, this quadra box is very strange. I'm figuring out the left leg figure and the right leg figure, and because sometimes this box has the same number as that box, but also this box has the same number as that box. Sometimes, but it could be happen that not 2 but 1, and I'm figuring out which side has the same number. It's not always double numbers the same. Sometimes one time, yes. And I'm figuring out because this figure or shape is not very often in the tectonic puzzle. All right. Then the following step is to recognize some shapes, some figures, some structures, construction, whatever you name it. For example, we have here the T shape, rotated. Let me draw the T shape here. Yeah, let me draw the T shape here. Here we have a T shape. Can you see this? Yes, the T shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box, and that box has the same number as the box. This box, only one T shape. Yeah. Then the following shape. How about this L shape? Mirrored. Yes, this L shape. Let me draw this here. This L shape. Here we have L shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. More L shapes in this puzzle? No, no L shapes. How about this shape then? This shape. Oh wait, let me draw. Yeah. Okay, let me draw this. Okay, there's this one. Yeah, this one. Well, this box has the same number as that box, so in this case it's a 4. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more shapes? Here, the same shape but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. And we have one shape left, this one. Yeah, let me draw this here. Alright, you see this shape. Remember, if you see this kind of shape, this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, those are the same puzzles. No, those are the shapes that you need to recognize for this puzzle. Why you need to recognize those shapes? There are only 4 here. There are more, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 4. Why you need to recognize? Because then the following step, it's easy for filling the numbers. So let's get starting filling the numbers. Alright. These 2 boxes surround the 1. Cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. Alright. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 2. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 and the 2 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 1, 2 and 1. The other pair in this area are reserved for the numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4. In this quarter box should be there. 2 numbers left in this quarter box for the numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 4. Wait. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be a 1. Can be a 2. Can it be a 3? Should be a 4. Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those. Well, I cannot place the 3 here because this box is connected with that box. If I place a 3 here, this box should be also a 3. But we already have a 3 there. So can it be a 3? This box should be a 2. And that box, 1 box left in this area for number 3. Well, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Alright. Then. How about these 3 boxes surround the 2? Can it be a 2? Those 2 boxes can it be a 2? So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 2 boxes can it be a 2? So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 3. Those 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Alright, these 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Now we have 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this T-shape area for the numbers 1 and 4. Well, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. And 1 box left in this T-shaped area for the number 4. Alright. This box, can it be a 5? This box, can it be a 3? So the 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, let me mark those, 3 and a 5. So 1 box left in this area for the number 4. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 goes together with the 2 as a pair, 1 and a 2. But we already have a 1 here. So it can be a 1 here. The 1 should be there. And the 2 goes here. Alright. Okay. So here we have 2 numbers left. The 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4. Well, look. This box cannot be a 2 because I thought that's the same number, but we already have a 2 here. Okay. I think whether this box should be a 5. We will see. Let me see. Well. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. Well, now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 3. Okay, 3 and a 5. I think this box should be a 3. We will see. Yeah, 3 and a 5, because we already have a 3 there. So this box can be 3, that box should be a 3, and this box should be a 5. Look, this box is the same number as that box. Okay, so so the left leg, so this figure, there's always 1 with the same number. It's this side or that side. Well, I need to figure out which side. Yeah. Sometimes it could be there. Switch. Yeah. No, I need to figure this out. Okay. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers are 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. Okay. 1 and a 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. Alright. This box can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this L shape for the numbers are 3 and 5. 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be a 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, yes, definitely a 5, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 1 box left in this area for number 3. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 2, these 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and the 2, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area. For the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be a 1. Can it be 2? Can it be 3? Should be a 4. Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. And the final 2 numbers in this box for the numbers area. For the numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Told you. Faster than 50 minutes for a 1 star. And I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And let me draw this figure to remind me the next the next time. So this box is the same number as that box, and it's a left leg. I need to know if I can switch this to that side. We need more information. Okay, left leg. Okay, if there are the same figure, but the numbers are the same but the other side, then I cannot tell if this figure you need to recognize. But I know definitely there are the same numbers, or this side or that side, with the same number. All right, thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Sunday. We will meet again tomorrow on a Monday, and we will know who has won the Formula One. Verstappen, Max Verstappen, or Lewis Hamilton. We will see. Until then, bye bye for now.